Good morning, and let's look at the top stocks to watch out for in trade today at 9:15 a.m. So starting with the earnings candidates and the stocks that could be seeing some movement on the back of their earnings. Havells is going to be the first one we'll be picking up, where the company's profits have actually lowered and come in only at 302 crores, mainly due to the impact coming in of the increase in input costs, and this is despite the better inventory efficiencies. Overall, the margins also are seeing an impact of the input cost inflation. The company also managed that. Yes, they had taken price hikes, but that is with a lag effect, and that is what the lag effect is impacting the margins as well. Other than that, the company has reported a 31.6% growth in revenues overall, but we are seeing a sharp impact coming in of the raw material price inflation on the margins of the company. So surely keep an eye out on Havells today. Moving forward, we do have Tata Steel Long Products also, which reported its numbers, where we're seeing the profits grew by 128% on a year-on-year basis, coming in at 134.7 crores, which is on the back of higher sales and inventory efficiency gains that the company has shown. Other than that, the company has reported a 38% growth in its total revenues as well. So surely keep an eye out on Tata Steel Long Products. Supreme Petrochem, another stock that could be in focus after the profits of the company have risen by 47.5% in the September quarter on a year-on-year basis. The profits stand at around 127 crores. Obviously, there was a sharp high revenue traction also. So top line is surely very strong, and that is leading to a strong bottom line as well. And the top line, the profits, the revenues, grew by around 71.5% as well. So surely revenues coming in at 1,190 crores for the company. Keep an eye out on Supreme Petrochem on the back of a strong bottom line as well as a top line growth coming in for the company. L&T Finance could be in focus today, as after its Q2 numbers, we're seeing that the profits have actually declined by 15% on a year-on-year basis. NII though is seeing a growth, but surely we are seeing some pressure building in overall on L&T Finance's growth on a year-on-year basis, though sequentially we are seeing some improvement in the profits of 26% on the back of the sharp fall that we saw coming in the impairment of assets. So that's on a sequential basis, but on a year-on-year basis, the profits of the company have seen a decline. So keep an eye out on that stock as well. Shoppers Stop too could be in focus on the back of its numbers, where we are seeing the net losses of the company have actually narrowed down, coming in at only 3.6 crores versus what we saw was around 97 crores last year. Revenue from operations also have more than doubled for the company. So surely keep an eye out on Shoppers Stop, especially reopening of trade, our people revenge shopping. All these benefits does work out for the retail space as well. And in other news, we do have PVR, which could be in focus as well after the company is opening up 6-screen multiplexes PVR Mansion in the Geo World Drive in Mumbai. Keep an eye out on that. The operator also is the largest multiplex network with 855 screens and 178 properties in 72 cities. So surely keeping PVR a buzz, especially tomorrow we are seeing theatres open in Bombay as well. Keep an eye out on PVR. Moving on, we do have Bharat Gears, which is in focus after the board has approved an offering of 1 share for 10 on the right basis of around 105 rupees per share. And lastly, Jindal Stainless Hisar could be also in focus after the commission phase 1 of brownfield expansion at the specialty products division. So surely keep an eye out on all these stocks today at 9:15 a.m.